Okay, now in this video we are going to see the application part of right angle triangle, and one, like, if the sides are given, how we can calculate the angles. So let's see in this question. This is a question from your textbook at page number 500 in the checkpoint 1. In that checkpoint, this figure is given. This is a right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle is at right angle at C point, and the BCA equals to is given 3, AC part B equals to 4 is given, and we need to calculate hypotenuse. So there is a relation between in a right angle triangle, there is a relation between the hypotenuse, this perpendicular, and this is the base, or you can say this is opposite or this is adjacent. What is the relation? The relation is hypotenuse square. I'm going to write in the short form for hypotenuse height. Hypotenuse square is equals to this perpendicular square, the height which is vertical, that is square, so that vertical height, or I'm going to write height square, plus this is called base, you can say adjacent, base square. Okay, now hypotenuse. What is the name of hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is AB, or they have represented by letter C, so you can write C or you can write AB. Okay, I am going to write over here C because they already have denoted that C. Okay, now what is the height? Height is given, represented by letter A, so A square. What is the base? Base is represented by letter B, so B square. Now I'm going to plug in the value which are given. Okay, so the A value is given 3, so when you plug in over here, A place 3 square, B place what is given 4, so 4 square. I am going to solve it out. C part is not given, so I am going to write C as usual. Okay, 3 square means 3 times 3 9, 4 times 4 is 16. Now you need to add. When you add it, it is going to be 16 plus 9 25. C square equals to, so C equals to, when you remove this square number from here, when it is being removed, when it go to up to this number, it converted to the square root sign. So when you remove this square over there, this number, whatever the quantity is there, that quantity will come inside the square root sign. This is the square root property. So now see, the square root of 25 is going to be 5. So we have got the value of C, that is coming 5. Okay, now we know all the three values. We know height, we know base, and we know hypotenuse. Now I need to calculate the 6 trigonometric functions. 6 trigonometric functions are sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, and cosec. So I am going to calculate first sine, cos, and tan, and with the help of that I will calculate the remaining 3. Okay, so let's see over here. I am going to write here only, so you can see, and I am going to calculate all the 6 trigonometric functions for angle A. Okay, now I am going to write over here sine A. What is sine? Sine is opposite upon adjacent, so A angle opposite is BC. So BC upon hypotenuse is, no doubt about it, so AB. Okay, BC is what? 3. And what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse we have calculated 5, so 3 over 5. Now if you know the sine opposite is cosec, so CSC, cosec is represented by CSCA. Cosec is reverse of this, so is going to be AB upon BC is equals to 5 upon 3. Okay, so sine we have calculated and cos I have calculated. This is your sine, this is your cos. Now I am going to calculate cos and sec, because cos and sec are related. So cos A, I am going to write over here, cos is what? Cos is adjacent upon hypotenuse. What is adjacent over here? If you are calculating for A angle, adjacent is going to be AC. AC upon what is hypotenuse? AB. Okay, what is the AC value? That is 4. So 4 upon what is AB value? AB is 5. So cos A is 4 upon 5. Now cos opposite is sec. So sec is going to be AB upon AC. Means if it is 4 upon 5, that will be 5 upon 4. So that how we have calculated sec A. Now I am going to calculate tan and cot, because tan and cot are interrelated, inverse of each other or reciprocal. Okay, now tan A. Tan is opposite upon adjacent. What is over here opposite? Opposite is BC. BC upon adjacent is what? AC. So BC is what? BC value is 3 and AC is 4. So this is 10 we have calculated. Now I need to calculate cot A. Cot is reverse of tan, so that is going to be AC upon BC. So this is 4 by 3. So this how we have calculated all 6 trigonometric functions: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. Can you see? This is sine, we have calculated cosec, then cos, sec, and the last two tan and cot. So I hope so it makes you little senseful how to calculate the 6 trigonometric functions. And with the help of, when the two sides are given, first what I need to do over here, two sides were given, perpendicular height was given and the base was given. With the help of that I have applied this formula. This formula you need to learn. Hypotenuse square equals to height square plus base square, or you can say hypotenuse square equals to adjacent square plus opposite square. Okay, and then I have write the symbol, whatever the letter they have used to represent particular side. So hypotenuse they have represented by C, so I have replaced by C. Height is represented by A, so A, and then I have plugged in the value and I have solved it out, so got the value of C. After getting the value of all the three sides, 5, 4 and 3, then you can calculate the 6 trigonometric functions. Thank you.